how to replace the DB3 micro switch for the ceramic valve on the Miele coffee machine. So this micro switch, if it goes faulty, it can cause the machine to give you an F77 error. Sometimes it's not the motor is broken, but sometimes it's just simply the switch is broken. You can purchase this switch for a few dollars online. So I will provide you some information where you can purchase this. So this is the switch right here you need to get. So that's the one. So you want to get the one. So here I'm going to open up this part right here. So I'm going to use a pendulum screw, and then we're going to unscrew it. Now both of the switches are the same. There are two switches on this. So I'll show you in here. You can see there's one here and one underneath in here. So both of the switches are the same. Now here I will take it off. Then we will separate this right here and put this one to the side. Okay, now underneath here there are two screws as well. It uses a larger pendulum, so I'm going to replace it with a larger pendulum. And then we'll remove it just down here. One on this side as well. Now if you want to know how to take out or how to remove this ceramic valve from the machine, you can watch my other videos. So here it comes off. So, and there are two bolts underneath that goes in here. So here we can separate this one. And here you are able to remove the micro switch. So this one here is the red cable, and then you got the black cable down here. So make sure you put them in the correct place. And here we're just going to take out the switches, pull it out, and here you need to pull out this one here as well. If I just take this one out. Okay, and it come off. So once it come off, we need to solder this one on. So here we need to solder it on. They look exactly the same. So this is the replacement one. You can see the pin is different. This is the original one. This is the replacement one. And we just need to solder it on. Okay, we're going to desolder this one first.